Guys, it's your girl, killing the game. Got my little brother here, and so we just bought this particular mobile home. The camera's not towards you yet. we just bought we just bought this mobile home, guys. The family wanted $40,000 for this particular mobile home, and we gave them $15,000. They took all of their appliances except for the stove. So I just want to give y'all a quick glimpse of what's going on here. This is a 2004 mobile home, no liens or anything on it. What's going on with this family? They couldn't wait to go to a nursing home because there was no beds available. So what's going on is that they're gonna go ahead and live with their daughter because they cannot wait any longer. Okay, so this puppy can rent for over $2,000, guys. This is how it's done in the mobile home game, day in and day out. So let's go take a quick look on the inside. This is a nice little awning, but the awning is very, very short. So we're gonna have to put a sign or something. So this puppy is huge, huge mobile home. So we're gonna change out this carpet. This is one of our main areas of concern. It's kind of really soft. They got a soft spot here. Electricity is working. AC is working. They left the stove. And the stove is electric. They got a leak here, guys. They actually had a dishwasher. They wanted to know if we wanted it. And I'm like, no. Why would I want a leaking dishwasher? So I think what we're going to do is we're going to put some cabinetry here instead of putting a dishwasher. I'm not a dishwasher person. Even in my single family home, I have yet to turn that puppy on. And let me show you another concern. This guy was actually, the husband was a AC guy, so the AC, you can actually eat off of it. And so we're going to have to do something with this flooring here. And then this door, as you can see, is not aligned on there very well. So our handyman, I keep calling him a handyman, but our contractor has been ill. So we are interviewing somebody else because our other handyman is talking crazy regarding prices. That's why he barely ever gets any business from us. And so we're going to hire somebody else new. And so, guys, this is how it goes. So we're going to get about 2 G's for this particular mobile home. The bathroom is huge, and I'll give you a walk through here. You know, just some touch-up stuff that it has to do. I think it has a leak here underneath the sink. Yeah, there's a leak underneath this particular sink. Big tub. Big tub. This rehab shouldn't take us very long at all. We're going to rip up this carpet, and I don't know if we're going to replace it with more carpet or we're going to try to continue this material through the whole house. Okay, let's go over to the other side and I'll show y'all what's going on. Guys, finally got abandoned signs, so we're going to put that in the window. Okay, and here's the other bedroom. Just got to rip up this carpet here, change some shades here. Really, this wallpaper ain't that bad. They have been in this home for years. All right, so here we go, guys. This is the bathroom, and the bathtub has a hole in it, so we're gonna probably have to replace that. I don't think there's no patch job in the world that's gonna fix that. And here's the other bedroom, and got a soft spot over here. Okay, so anyway, okay, guys, so this is how it's done. This is how it is done. The doors are a little off track. We were initially going to take and I'll turn this back around again. We're going to take this ramp down because, as you can see, it's very low. Guys, I'm only 5'4" on a good day, and I actually have to duck. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep this if we can, because at first the park said we had to remove it, and now they're not mentioning anything about it. So we're not going to spend unnecessary money if we don't have to. And they left us some junk underneath there. open, this shed open. Whoever wants to come and take something out of here, they can. You know, there were elderly people. We're not tripping over this kind of stuff, guys, because to tell you the truth, we got a sweet deal on this. Even the husband said, you know, I could have got 40,000. I said, yeah, maybe you could have got about 32,000. I'm not too sure about 40. But whoever wants to come and get this junk, they can come and get it because we're not interested in it. Okay, I'll take you around the mobile home as well. And see, it's right here off of Main Street, so we don't have to worry about nobody coming and stealing stuff and whatever. Take this right off the Main Street. We're going to fix this skirting. And amazingly enough, it's pretty clean. Underneath the mobile home, it looks pretty clean. I'm going to have my brother tack this skirting up right now before it gets carried away. And somebody done left us a couple of treats. Somebody got a big dog around here not cleaning up their stuff. Anyway, the AC works very well. I'm going to have to do something to reinforce this deck. This little deck here is leaning. But all this is really cosmetic stuff. Alright? So, I'll talk to y'all soon.